Hello everyone and happy November. My name is Kyle and I'm here to do the unboxing for the November knit box for Makers Mercantile. There's not a whole lot of secrets this time. Mrs. Olson is wearing the project for this month. This is the Best Friends Bandana Cowl, designed by Amy Gunderson, who is one of my favorite humans on the planet, and it's using a beautiful yarn, which is inside the box here. So I'm gonna open this box and show you what's in. So there's tissue paper, of course. There's a little joke for the subscribers to enjoy. And then there's 3 balls of yarn. So the yarn itself is edition 3. Edition 3 is a yarn from Scheppel in Germany. This is 100% extra fine superwash merino from Patagonia. And you're gonna get 3 balls of this yarn in this box, in this month's box. It's a fantastic deal. And these 3 combine together to create this colorway version of the Best Friends Bandana Cowl. So the pattern itself explains how to use the different yarns. It uses a size US 4 needle. It's worked in the round, simple stitches. Needs a stitch marker, needs a tapestry needle. So those are in the box as well. And you're gonna find a little treat. So Rice Krispies treat, because why not? And you can give it to your best friend. Maybe you wanna make the cowl and give it to a best friend. Or, you know, no one's gonna yell at you if you just eat that treat and think about your best friend while you have it. I don't know. But it is a fun project. Of course, there is a download code. So if you're on Ravelry, you can add the pattern to your library. You can also download the pattern to an email address and save it some other way if you don't use the Ravelry library function. Printed pattern is in there as well. And the only thing that isn't in here is time, right? Because it takes time to make things that are beautiful. But I have a feeling this one's gonna move pretty quickly. The exciting news is if you are a subscriber, you're getting this knit box. The less exciting news is there are no extras. We are at capacity for the November knit box, but if you're interested in joining us each month, you can certainly go to makersmercantile.com, head over to the subscriptions tab and sign up. It's a penny to sign up. That gets your credit card information and all that sorted and gathered so it's stored securely in the system. And then coming up the beginning of next month, you'll get the box with all of the goodies and the pattern and all of that stuff. So whatever happens for December, you'll be in line to get that. We usually do have extras, but this time we don't. So that is the November box. That is the Best Friends Bandana Cowl. A big thank you to Amy Gunderson for being our guest designer this month. And we'll see you again in just a few weeks when December rolls around for the next unboxing. Thanks for watching. Bye.